In this video, I'm going to show you how to make decals in Roblox. So this video will guide you through the process of creating decals. Decals can be used throughout the Roblox, such as in Roblox Studio. You can also allow other people to use your decals. To get started, go to Roblox website and click on Create in the top of the screen. This will take you to the Creator Hub. Now go to Creations, which is on the left-hand side of the screen below the Home option. Now click on Development Items, that is beside Avatar Items, and then find Decals and select it, which is between Audio and Images. After that, click on Upload Asset, which is highlighted in white color, and make sure that the image you want to use matches the specified format and meets the requirements. Also give a description, and then tap on Upload, which is highlighted in blue color. Now click on the uploaded decal. Now scroll down and choose who can use it to decide whether to distribute it on the store. And to get the decal ID, hover over to the left-hand side of the screen, click on the three dots and tap on Copy Asset ID. This ID is also known as the decal ID. Alternatively, click on the decal and go to the Configure page and find the ID within the URL. Now you can use the decal ID in Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio and create a part to add the decal to. Select the decal, find the color map property, click on it, and paste the decal ID into the URL field. Press enter and the decal should now appear on the part. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you again in the next one.